How's it going?
Not too bad, yourself?
Not bad.
I'm looking to get one of those drop-in systems for my Duramax diesel.
Yeah, absolutely, man. Well, we've got them here, but unfortunately we don't do the installs in-house. We normally don't even offer this, but we've got some space over here. The lift's tied up. You're welcome to do the install yourself. We can get you set up. Super easy to do. Should have you in and out of here in about an hour.
That sounds good. I'm slightly handy, so let's see what we can get done.
Sounds good. Let's go. All right, Brian just got his installation wrapped up, and as you can see, you can do it right here on the floor. You don't need a fancy shop with a fancy lift, just some basic hand tools, and you can get the installation knocked out. Now, for more information on our drop-in series system, to locate a dealer near you, or to order yours today, be sure to check them out at FASSride.com.